subscribe button. See you in the next video. Press the notification bell. And thank you for the love on YouTube. Press that notification bell. Leave a comment. Hammers. Hey, Coco Vanity has arrived.
Hey, you came back, like living on the old side. Once I let you go by, and I don't even know why. You a whole prize, I'll take us high. When I get you lit in my ride, no, you came and changed the vibe. No playing both sides, that's a no fly. So tell me where your mind at. Thinking I'm someone they plot at. I never knew why they would try that. I don't even got a mind at. When I hear something to you, just gotta know what I'm on to. Tell me if you wanna lose out. I see no heat, so envious they creep slow. That's what I got this heat for. And I got a mind that knows what's worth chasing. Though if you leave me being now, be well off with things that my mom won't do. And it's so strange, I'm like propane, just need your flame. So grab with time, and if you don't mind, I'm giving signs you really got.
Hello glamours, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Coco Vanity and I'm here with another video. I'm using a Take Me Back to Brazil palette and I'm just mixing all these blues together, and what you want to do is just blend. Start with your darkest color and then work your way down to a lighter color, and in the inside of the crease you want to blend the color so you don't see any harsh lines. Go on and put that white on the inner corner of your eyelids, and then I'm going to top that with glitter. I'm using blue and fluorescent white glitter, which appears to be green. And yeah, I'm enjoying this look. I was going for this ocean vibe look to match this beautiful wig that I got from Shake and Go. And if you want to see how I installed this wig, check out my next video. And I'm just blending and blending and blending all these colors together so you won't see any harsh lines. I will leave everything that I use in the description box.
If we close, I'm on. Give me a show and I'm encore. I need to know, I'm not sure. My time's like gold, trying to find more. If we close, I'm on. Give me a show and I'm encore. I need to know, I'm not sure. My time's like gold, trying to find more. Hey, you came back, like living on the old side. Once I let you go by, and I don't even know why. You a whole prize, I'll take us high. When I get you lit in my ride, no, you came and changed the vibe. No playing both sides, that's a no fly. So tell me where your mind at. Thinking I'm someone they plot at. I never knew why they would try that. I don't even got a mind at. When I hear something to you, just gotta know what I'm on to. Tell me if you wanna lose out. I see no heat, so envious they creep slow. That's what I got this heat for. And I got a mind close the window. Give me a show and an encore. I need to know.
I feel tired, I've been riding around, I've been rolling, slow motion, I got to open, I can surely decide my devotion, she closed off and skeptical of my motives, cause I did some dirt in my past, but shit, she wanna know what's fair, all the things I found out, running through word of mouth, so much shit I allow, and I'm still not putting you down, cause I want you around, we can cruise through town. Conversation is great for your mind. If you think this a game, I'll play with your mind, I'll play with your mind. I get lost when I think it, I can never ever change for you, even though I'm not sure about us. You got my brain abused, and if I ever did find love, it would make sense to think you. Take you out of them clothes, show you a thing or two. I feel tired, I've been riding around, I've been rolling, slow motion, I got to open, I can surely decide my devotion, she pulls up and skeptical of my motives, they say they not giving a damn, but I got they focus now, so much that I found out, something bad talk about me, dog, it's so well, and damn I want you around, but I also rather be up out of the house. You said you ain't taking your time, I blazed the case and I'm shaking the spot, I ain't wasting no time. She said it's danger to hang with you, all the things you will bring me through, don't pick up when you call me up. She done got this whole thing confused, thinking I can't find love, to be the real thing with you, we candle and flame, it's always the same thing with you.
I'm getting it all this stuff, and I just feel like my liner has really girl, this is not saying
Well, thank y'all for joining me. This has been fun. This look has been fun. I hope y'all enjoyed this look. Please subscribe to my channel. I've been getting nothing but love. I appreciate everything. I thank each and every one of the people who subscribe to my channel. Press like, share, comment, told a friend, told anybody, share it with everybody. Thank you. I appreciate it. And yeah, thank you guys. I love y'all so much for just showing me some love. I enjoyed this look. It's giving me paradise, Caribbean vibes, like sitting on the ocean, like ocean sky, you know, sky. I mean, it's just everything, and I'm feeling myself. I am really feeling myself, and I'm loving this look. Yeah, I am loving this look. I am loving this look. I am loving it, and it's long and it's full. Look how full this wig is, y'all. This wig is everything, and it's nice and full. Like, it's not thin, it's full, and it got some lint on it. You know, it's go all the way down. It's 26 inches, honey. And that glow. Ooh, that glow. Fancy glow. Y'all know I love my fans, so.
What happened to Shade?
Oh yeah, shade too. Shade, honey. So thank y'all guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This is my final look. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, press like, and share this video. See you next time in the next video.
I'm holding on.